If a person dies during his exam, does that mean the person has passed? Nah, forget that. Listen to this. If cheetahs are the fastest animal in our kingdom, then why do people measure their car in horsepower? If a tomato is a fruit, then does that make tomato ketchup juice or a smoothie? That's not the question. The question is, tomato. Tomato a fruit or a vegetable? What is it?
Just stop. Can we end this podcast for today? Please!
What is the opposite of please?